Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Longhorn Steakhouse. Why do we have Longhorn Steakhouse? Because it's what? Fast Food Fridays.
FFF in the building. You know what it is already.
So I have steak and shrimp with some seasoned rice and some broccoli. And I also have some mashed potatoes. My husband can have some mashed potatoes because he really wanted some too. He also have extra rice.
So why don't I, so the steak and the shrimp, I can't get some too?
No. He has some extra rice and he has salmon that has been blackened and seasoned to perfection. And he also has some broccoli. And they have given us their their house wheat bread, or the bread that they give you when you're at the restaurant. And I put some butter in it and I cut it in half. Now family, we are going to dig in. This food looks delicious. I just think I want to taste the rice first.
Yeah, I was looking at yours. Your one look more seasoned than mine. No, seriously, look at mine. Look how plain it look. And look at yours.
It's the same rice. The only difference is the juice from the steak.
Oh, okay. See, I know what I'm talking about then. So I act like I know what I'm talking about. Okay.
This is good.
What is my salmon look well cooking? I don't think the salmon look like when I cook mine. You want to taste this?
Wait. I got a big piece of bread.
Bread look big for real. Not bread, wheat bread. You said wheat bread, man. Okay. That looks like butter. That look like butter and garlic. Let's see what this is. Yeah. Stinker garlic.
Alright, this steak is not medium well. This steak looks like it's medium rare. You see how soft it is?
You don't like it like that?
I don't like it like that.
Oh no. You know what?
Let me see. What kind of steak this anyway? Filet mignon?
I know for real. You know what? First day you don't get our money back. We good for that.
Oops. Let me check this out.
Hold on, family. I just want to give you some. I think it tastes good.
They was asking you, it tastes good. Okay, family, we are back. I had to take my steak and put it back in the oven. I don't like my steak with all that whatever coming out of it. I like my steak to be medium well. A slight pink. Just a slight. Not like that. Some people like it, and that's okay, but not me.
Alright. I'm gonna be my salmon.
Where's the other piece of your bread?
I'm gonna start hurting.
When?
No, look, come here, I'm afraid. Here. Take some of that salmon. Maybe I can see it. Huh? Yeah, I can see. Take a piece of salmon, and here, eat your greens. Eat your greens too. You gotta take the greens with it. Just don't take the salmon and don't take the greens. You gotta take the both. Alright. How y'all good people doing on that Good Friday here? You know what it is already? Snack time. Bread is good.
Hot.
Right?
I hope you guys have a great weekend. You know, go do something this weekend. Have a drink with your friends, hang out with family, hang out in your backyard, go to the park.
Turn that grill.
If it's not cold in your area, shoot, even if it is, still grill.
Still grill,
Don't let the weather tell you when you can grill. Please, if you feel like grilling, grill.
Oh, I almost forgot. Your steak look better.
That doesn't feel good.
I almost forgot the grace that win the race. Thank you. I'll wait.
Tell me how it tastes.
First they gave me a piece of shrimp. I can't give you that one because first they didn't got a lot of shrimp. Saute.
You want to taste my rice?
Want to
It's the same rice, but it's different.
Your rice is more seasoned. You want to taste mine?
See.
That tastes just like just regular rice. Yours rice is more seasoned than mine. I told you that already.
Oh.
Show them that. I show them that. They can't see, but yeah. Yours is more seasoned. So that's what I said. I know food enough. I know food. Family. This salmon right here, busting.
It is good.
Want these more? It ain't nothing like my fried salmon, but it's good though.
It's trying to fat me up. That's what Vincent said. Vincent said, when I go to the restaurant, I should order salmon sometimes. And he said, but then I will be comparing the salmon to when Richie makes the salmon. That's not gonna work.
My salmon bad, man. What I'm drinking today, you know we gotta have it on deck. I'm not even gonna say it because you already know what I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say it. But family, they would have never know, but y'all know, y'all too nosy. Very nosy. Shout out to everybody that see me got my Chris Brown look, you know? I gotta get that Chris Brown nose ring, you feel me? But yeah, for all the nosy ones that pay attention, y'all got it right. It was a lot of y'all. Right, Frizzy? They would have never known, but they know.
They know. It was so much of you guys that got it right. That pointed it out.
Yep.
Nosy, man.
Nosy.
But we like it.
But we like it. Y'all like it? At first they say look good. First they say get it. At first they say look good, I'm gonna get it. That's right.
I knew it would fit him because he has a nice nose. He has.
First they say I got a nice nose.
He has a nose for it. Some people don't have the nose for a nose ring. No offense, but they just don't. But if they think they do, that's all that matters. But I knew it would fit him.
First they said go for it, and I went for it. Family, when I did it, it let me tear up a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, no cap. I
You were scared? You were scared at first?
I don't like needles. So when I went in there, I surprised first lady. She didn't even know I was gonna do it. Story time.
He left me out.
Story time. Quick story time. So I ain't tell first lady I was gonna do it, but she know I wanted to get it done. Cause you know my birthday is coming up next month. You know what I'm saying? All the Aries in the building, holla at me.
Don't holler.
So
Aries are very weird.
so I surprised first lady. First lady got mad.
I did.
Because she wanted to come. But listen,
I
family.
did.
The big sign on the door said, if you're not the one that getting the piercing or the tattoo, only the one that's getting the piercing and the tattoo that is allowed in here.
I don't care what no sign said. I would have made my way in.
Family, and you know the girl that pierced me too? I'm gonna bring her my first day this year. My first day this year. I'm gonna bring my first day over there. We can see her. Yeah.
I can't go in, remember?
Well, you're gonna see that girl there.
Please.
Well, yeah, I came home, surprised her. She was mad. So first day was at 10. Well, you know? First day say fit me, and my daughter say fit me, so everybody say fit me, so what y'all think? Chris Brown style? Yeah. Family, I'm not even gonna lie. It didn't even feel like I eat nothing here. So you know I gotta go out later again.
You're not eating the mashed potato?
You say you don't eat your mashed potato?
That's what I said.
Family, I didn't eat one crap. I don't know what I just ate. I'm still hungry. But, you know what? I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I want you to stay safe and stay positive, you know? Don't let nobody draw you out. That which mean don't make nobody piss you off. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy yourself.
And those.
Appreciate y'all coming through. Need help? Thank you.
I want shrimp.
You want shrimp? Oh. Okay, family. Here.
I would eat shrimp. I would eat shrimp.
You like
it's
it,
good.
man?
No, it's not that it's not good. It's just I feel like it's like I don't know.
Alright. Sin first, lady.
Whenever we don't cook the food, it's like I don't know.
See? That's what y'all wanted to do. You ain't want first to eat a shrimp because you wanted some. So here you go. Sauteed. You know what I'm saying?
It tastes good.
Shrimp good. Shrimp
But-
good. I like it. What? What's it like?
Unless I didn't like it. I said it tastes
It
good.
tastes good, but you don't like it.
It tastes good. But I think I'm just not in the mood for it. I should have got some ribs.
No.
Pork ribs.
Come here with two stuff.
You always eat with two stuff. I should have got some pork ribs, family.
Why?
Because
And
I felt like it was gonna be finger licking good
then you don't like
with the
it?
sauce. But then I thought about it and I said, what if I don't like it? Who's gonna eat it?
Me.
You can't yum pork.
Never three. Family?
Wait. How much?
What? Now you even let me taste the steak.
You didn't? You didn't get the steak?
Nope.
My bad. You probably didn't.
I sure
when
did.
I wasn't looking.
I didn't take it. I ain't gonna lie.
Their food, Longhorn Steakhouse, I'm not even gonna lie, their food is seasoned. They do season their food. But it's just like just not feeling the shrimp today. And I'm not sick. I feel better, you know, but I don't know.
You're not feeling, but I feel it for you, don't worry.
I remember back in the days when you went somewhere and you was able to order shrimp, how you felt fancy. Now it's like shrimp is like
Anybody can get shrimp.
anybody can get shrimp. Shrimp is everywhere. I understand.
Anybody can buy shrimp, man.
So maybe I'm shrimped out.
You could catch your own shrimp.
Want bread?
No.
Want the bread? I still got butter in it. I think I'm shrimped out. When did you eat your bread though? I'm still confused. You ate the top part. When you ate the top part of your bread?
Very nice.
But when? How you move like that?
Excuse
Wow.
me. Wow. That one was there. That one was right here. Well, thank you for giving me the shrimp.
You're welcome.
Now I feel better now.
Bread is good.
Very good. Soft.
Bread is good.
And this is one of the softest bread I've ever eaten.
That
Yeah.
even after you leave the restaurant, it's still soft. It's still, and I didn't even heat this up.
I'm saying. I get a kudos for that.
Yeah. It probably has a honey sweet bread. It has a sweetness to it.
Family, question. That one tastes good. When y'all go out, restaurant, and they give you a butter, and it's hard to cut. Y'all like that?
When it's cold.
When it's cold, yeah. How do you like your butter? When they give you the butter with the bread? I hate when they give it cold. Now you can't even go through, you can't even butter the bread good.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
And the bread is cold, and the butter is cold. How you gonna spread it?
How you gonna spread it?
Have one or the other. Either have the butter warm, and the bread is just regular temperature, or have the bread warm and the butter is, cold. So then you put the butter in, and then the warm bread will melt the butter, or vice versa. But you can't just have both of them being cold. You're gonna be sitting there fighting, and then your bread's gonna be ripping.
Yep, that's true. I don't like that. Too much work.
Too much work. I don't want to do no work when I go to a restaurant.
I don't. I just want to sit down and enjoy my
Meal.
My meal and my entrees and everything.
Yeah, these fancy words.
My entrees. You let me know them.
Your entree.
Entree. First did it. Oh, I can't tell them because I didn't see the thing yet. When they gonna drop that thing there?
What thing there? What thing there drop? Right? Oh. My favorite that.
Can't tell them that one there. They gotta wait to see it.
I gotta edit it.
Yep. You don't edit it.
What are you guys gonna do on the weekend? Like, let us know.
We always let y'all know what we doing.
Yeah, this weekend. What am I gonna do? Probably the usual.
Go in the shop.
Clean. I'm not making any soup this Saturday. I know it's a big shocker. Because I have some soup left over from last week. So I'm gonna warm that up. I'm gonna eat that for breakfast. Because you guys know we don't really fancy breakfast like that. And just clean and chill in my house.
Me? I be on a slavery. Making first lady money.
Which you'll be at work.
There no slavery mean?
No.
Okay. I be at work. Sorry. AKA slavery. Somebody gotta do it.
Let me tell you something. And Richie's at work and he called me on his lunch. Richie be like, he'll come in his lunch and he'll call me on his break. We've been doing that for years. When I go on lunch at my job, I call him. We've been doing that for years, right?
Do y'all do that too? Married or not? Tell me you do that, comment down.
And Richie be like, the first thing he'd be like, what's up, what you doing? I'm like, I'm here watching TV. Richie be like, you someone want to come home? I'm like, honey, you only been at work for 2 hours. I want to come home, man. I want to come home.
Okay, eat some food.
What time is it? The day done now? And I be like, oh my God. He's like, what you cook? He's like, oh man, I can't wait to come home and eat that food. Oh man, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Well, what time? I don't know how long they'll let me stay here. I'm hungry. I would have come home. All right, honey. I'll talk to you later. I love you. 4 hours later, he called me again. This time it's on his lunch. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. Oh, okay. Yo, I want to come home, man.
People in my business, man.
Yo, I want to come home, man. I'm like, honey. And this is what he does every time he's at work. Every time he call me at work,
yo,
what did he tell me?
Stop telling people my business. They'll tell you they know what I do when I'm at work.
What do you do?
Stop telling people that man.
But you harass me when he's at work because he want to come home. And then
No.
when he come home, first thing he do, go to the kitchen and go right to the pot and start digging in the food.
You're damn right. A long day at work. Wow. Word of wisdom in the building. You know, Pastor Rich time now. AKA Chris Breezy. You know what I'm saying? Right, first lady? Chris Breezy?
No, AKA Richie. You know damn Chris Breezy.
I got Chris Breezy nose ring, dog.
I don't want a Chris Breezy. Chris Breezy a woman beater. I don't want that. What's the matter? I'm good on that.
Alright, family. I gotta laugh. Alright. Family. First lady. If it is important to you, you will find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. Family.
That's hitting me personally. Why? You're not even know.
Hold on, let me read the thing again. If it is important to you, family, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. So don't find an excuse.
Bop, bop.
Yeah.
I love that quote.
That want to touch you?
Yeah. Personal.
Personal on the
Personal level. Personal level.
All right.
Oh.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for joining us on this FFF, you know, Fast Food Fridays. You know what it is already. If you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. You're new. go back and watch all the videos to get to know us if you're new. Just don't come in and judge.
But yeah.
Alright?
That's how y'all move.
Yes, because there's a lot of people out there just judge and they don't know half of how this started. You know what I'm saying? So go check us out before you subscribe and say, okay, watch them and see. That's what I'm talking about. But we appreciate every single one of you. Real talk though. We are the Greedy Couple. That's First Lady, aka Shanice, and this is Richie Chatty Pasta.
How much minutes you have on you, honey?
Enough one.
You want to tell me for real?
19 unchanged.
Okay. Because last week we did a Fast Food Friday breakfast edition at Chick-fil-A, and some of the family members were saying that the video too short, so I want to make sure the video long.
That's true.
You know who I'm talking to.
You know that.
You know who I'm talking to.
Period. Yeah.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
You got that.